Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to get proof of balance on Commonwealth Bank. First, open the CommBank app or visit their website and log in to your account. From the home screen, select the account you want the proof of balance for, like your savings or NetBank Saver account. Next, tap Manage, then scroll to the Statements and More section. Here, tap Proof of Balance. Once the document appears, tap the share icon in the top right corner. Choose Save to Files or a similar option, then tap Save. And that's it. Your proof of balance is now downloaded to your device. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.